Hi, I'm Mia Nixon, and I'm the social media intern at Bedford. I'm in charge of working with the graphics team to create content for social media and just make it really eye-catching and engaging for potential customers. When I began at Bedford, I really wanted to get exposure to a good professional work environment and just learn more about social media, HR, marketing, things like that in a reputable company. My biggest influence has definitely been the graphics team. They give me a lot of direction and plenty of opportunities to try new things. They're always encouraging whenever I give them any kind of content, and they're not afraid to tell me what I can do better. My next step is attending the University of North Dakota for communications and space studies. I one day want to work in social media management for the space science industry, and I really feel confident that what I've learned here is going to equip me for my future.